So let's talk about how this affects the health of your wealth, right? Assets minus liabilities or debts equals your net worth. So you take your home minus your mortgage, that's how much value you have in it. So all your assets minus all of your debts equals your net worth. And we want to know, how does interest rates affect your net worth? So let's look at it. You got $320,000 as a purchase price. Miss Wilson, her loan amount is $288,250. Her interest rate, an okay rate of 5.5% from the builder or from that realtor's preferred lender, or maybe you found some bank online. All right. So that equals a payment of $1,636.50. And when you total up 30 years of mortgage payments at the bottom, that's $589,944.65. What happens with wholesale competing offers? When you are able to identify the lowest rate loan in the market, here's what happens. Look at this, guys. $336,000, $900 is now the purchase price for the exact same payment. $1,636. Look at the loan. Look at the down payment. That has not changed. $32,000, right? So what happens is, because she has a lower rate, to match that same payment, she can take a higher loan amount. So you say, okay, well, she borrowed that money. It's not free. No. Let's look at the 30 years of payments. Look at the bottom, $589,944 to $589,236. Borrowing more, paying back less than the loan, the market offer, right? Makes sense? Guys, that's $16,650 back to you. You can take it any way you want, either in a higher home price, or let's take a look here. She keeps the same home price, but she saves $88.73 a month. A lot of you guys are going, Jim, that's not a lot of money, $88.73 a month. Okay, so that means you're willing to pay $1,636.50? Okay. So that $88.73 can now be applied towards the principal, meaning her home pays off in 26.5 years from day one with the wholesale competing offer. The market offer pays off in 30 years, 360 payments. That's 40 mortgage payments off your loan, equal to $68,752 back in your bank account, guys. This is where the wealth is captured, right? Why is this information not shared on the internet? Why is there no mortgage banker willing to educate you and give you these numbers? I'll tell you why. It's a very biased, jaded world out there. I'm not saying these are not good, ethical banks. They are. These are good people. But they are positioned incorrectly in the marketplace. What Equifund Mortgage does is we are a multi-lender agency. For the last 22 years, we represent majority of major banks: Amerisave Mortgage, Freedom Mortgage, Loan Depot, PennyMac, Home Point Financial, Plaza, and so many more. Here's where it gets good, guys. We've automated their underwriting guidelines in their pricing and brought it into a simple customer portal that allows you to access the site 24/7 and put in your basic information. No credit pulls, no spam calls, no spam emails. We don't sell or share your information. Most likely won't even call you. We'll wait for you to call us in most of the cases. So it's free to use, and you will instantly identify the lowest rate loan, see all the numbers, just like we're breaking down for you, and more. All right? Now, that's going to help you capture the lowest rate loan in the marketplace and put more money in your pocket. Guys, I hope you're seeing this. Please, this information is very valuable. I hope you don't disregard it. Apply it, put it to use. Go to equifundmortgage.com. Put more money in your bank. Price shop your loan with a multi-lender agency. You ever buy airline tickets through a travel agency and they get you a lower price airfare compared to calling up the airlines direct, that's because airlines offer those agents lower airline fees per passenger because there's no cost of marketing and they're not a paid employee of the airlines. It's kind of like the same thing. 22 years of experience, we're A+ rated. Look at our Google reviews. You're going to see that our banks are competing for you and we are behind you, and we want to educate and empower you to take this money back home to your bank account. Thank you for your time. Please like, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned for next week. We'll release a video on if and when you should pay discount points. What are they? And when is it a smart thing to do? Thank you.